Singapore stocks have outperformed the world over the past month. Their traditional strengths of high dividend yields and resilient balance sheets have had a lift from what JP Morgan describes as a Goldilocks economic backdrop. For more, let's bring in our Asia equities reporter Bernadette To. And Ban, I mean, this is unheard of. We're boring, we're stable, but now we're partying.
Yes, we are. Singapore's had a really good year. It's been having a really good time. It's been really resilient amongst the global volatility in the market. So it's been a fan favorite amongst a lot of investors.
A lot has to do with what you talked about, stability in the different factors, including the Sing dollar as well, right?
Yes, so there are lots of positives going on for Singapore stocks. One is the high dividend yields, which we have mentioned, and also the strong Singapore dollar, which is definitely really appealing to investors. But what's also new this time around for Singapore stocks is that there is also capital appreciation. There is a growth story that's led by moderated inflation and also just good corporate earnings because of the tech exports. So that with the dividend play and the growth story is just making Singapore stocks really, really attractive.
You talked about good corporate earnings. We're seeing that a lot for the banks in particular. Not surprising, they're leading the pack up. The question really is whether there's more gains to be had. If you take a look at DBS, already at 75 to 80 bucks right now per piece, and people are looking at perhaps even $100 for the stock. So you got to question whether it's stretch valuations or whether there's more upside from here.
Valuations are definitely higher than they have been historically, but at the same time, there are a lot of going on. There's a lot going on for Singapore banks. It's part of this booming wealth industry, wealth management industry in Singapore, and that's what's driving the Singapore banking stocks to rally really hard.
So apart from the banks, anything else that's doing well?
There is a lot of concentration in the Singapore banks, and that's something that's a concern for investors. But at the same time, there is a broadening out into the other sectors, and we see a lot of government measures to try and boost the stock market overall, so that it's not just the traditional banking sector that's there to benefit, but hopefully, the other sectors will also do well in this whole record run.
And of course, we heard from Goldman talking about this Goldilocks economic macro environment, but this is a country that's reliant on trade, and with the ongoing Iran war that's pretty prolonged right now, are there risks right there where, which has been cited as the Goldilocks situation?
I think JP Morgan said that, Singapore is at the Goldilocks phase. It's not too exciting where, it's have a lot of volatility with the AI trade. It's also resilient against the global volatility because of the Middle East conflict. But at the same time, it's resilient because it doesn't have that kind of sharp swing that we can see in North Asia markets with the AI exposure. So right now with Singapore, it's just nice. It's Goldilocks.
Just nice, and it's stable.